Babies, let's into the alphabet A to Z. Light green color, purple color, orange color, gold color, black color, brown color, pink color, red color, silver color, purple color, green color, yellow color. Yellow color, A for apple, A for ant. Yellow color, B for ball, C for cat. Orange color, D for doll. Orange color, E for egg. Orange color, F for flower. Orange color, Z for goal. Pink color, H for horse. Pink color, I for igloo. Pink color, J for juice. Light green color, K for kangaroo. L for light. M for mango. N for necklace. Green color, O for owl. Green color, P for parrot. Q for queen. Red color, R for rain. S for strawberry. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Brown color, V for vegetable. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Yellow color, A, B, C. Orange color, D, E, F, G. Pink color, H, I, J. Light green color, K, L, M, N. Green color, O, P, Q. Red color, R, S, T, U. Brown color, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you.